Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your number one source for income-oriented investing, and it's time for another portfolio unveil video where I will unveil my entire portfolio to you guys like I do every single month from A to Z. And just like last month, I'm gonna have to upload the video exclusively on the Rumble platform for the June. So in case you didn't know, the last couple of ones I uploaded on YouTube were taken down. I got YouTube strikes. So to avoid that, because I still actually have no idea, don't have a specific idea of why they were taken down, but just not to take any chances, the last couple of portfolio unveils have been uploaded on the Rumble platform. So I have a Rumble account there as well. So please watch the portfolio unveil video on Rumble exclusively. It looks just like YouTube, and the link to the video, guys, is in the video description below. So just under the TV screen that you're seeing, right under that there's a description portion, and right at the top I'll put the link. So just click on the link and it'll bring you to the Rumble video for portfolio update number 49. So the YouTube strike actually expires July 26th. So July 27th, guys, that is going to be where I'm going to upload the portfolio unveil on YouTube. Again, we'll see what happens. I'm going to upload it on both platforms, but expect the next portfolio unveil number 50 to be uploaded on YouTube like normal on July 27th. Of course, if you see the video and then it disappears, or you see something funky, it means YouTube took it down again. Go to Rumble. Follow me there, by the way, on that platform where you'll be able to see it. But hopefully that won't happen. I'm going to put in a bunch of new disclosures and stuff. So once again, guys, thank you for your support, and make sure to click on the link below so you could go to the portfolio unveil video on the Rumble platform. Take care, everyone.